Hi, Mike Collinson here again. You may remember in my last video I dug out the trenches and got it ready for concreting. Well, this is a carry on from that video. I've now got the trench completely dug out and the pegs laid, and we carry on from here. The first job to do is to set out the corner of the building. This I've set out square from the existing building and obviously parallel to the new extension I should be building. So get the corner built up first of all, ready then for putting the other end in, so that you can run a line between the two to fill in the gap. Here you can see I've got the other end of the block work up. It's in line and parallel to the main building, and a line runs through now, ready for laying blocks. This is not the lightest job in the world, and actually bending down in the trench is quite hard on the back. Each block weighs about 30 pounds, so in total I'm laying about over 2 ton of block work. Before I built up the second coin at the other end, I measured between the blocks to make sure that they're actually full blocks in between, so that we don't end up with a half block anywhere. So these are actually full blocks right the way through, with no cutting at all. The main reason for building this retaining wall is obviously to hold back the soil on the left hand side here, on the upper side when I excavate the main area. But also it'll have two effects. One is that I'll be able to lose some of the soil from the right hand side. Instead of taking it off site, which is going to be quite expensive, I can put it in behind the wall. And secondly, it will have the effect of terracing the ground. It's on a bit of a slope upwards, and this will flatten the area out above it. I may well add a couple of more blocks in height later on, if I decide I want to lose some more of the soil. Later on, I should be adding a concrete capping stone to this wall, and also I should be rendering and rough scatting the wall to match the existing house. I think when this is all finished, it should make a nice backdrop to the patio area. It'll form a nice windbreak, and it's the sun comes around from the backside, so we should get the sun on the patio area late afternoon into early evening, which will be very nice indeed. Looking forward to some nice summer evenings out here. Well, that's just about it for this video. I've gone as high as I'm going to go at the moment. I hope you've enjoyed it, and the next one will be I should be starting digging out the main area for the patio.